Hi everyone, this is Adedayo, and today we'll be looking at the keyboard set. Now, what is a keyboard set? A keyboard set on the Korg PA5X is a collection of up to 4 keyboard sounds called upper 1, upper 2, upper 3, and lower, along with all of the settings that makes these sounds work together. Alright, now we're going to be demonstrating how to use the keyboard sets in a style. Let's go. Alright, so when you open your keyboard like this, what you find is the main screen, and let's use something funky, funk and blues. Let's go for this sound. It's called Going on Soul. Now, these are the trigger buttons for the keyboard sets. So I have my first sound was just whirly. Okay, so the second sound will be this next set. Trumpet synth on the piano, and then a synth lead. Now I'm just gonna go play the style. I want to start with the first keyboard set, which is the whirly. Let me go to the next one. Let's go to the third keyboard set, the piano. Let's go to the fourth sound, which is the synth lead. So let's say you're on this second keyboard set and you want to change the sound. All you need to do is just click here and let me pick probably a cup trumpet. Alright, so I would definitely use the keyboard set each time I'm performing live on stage. So as opposed to me moving around sounds, trying to figure it out, once I set it on my keyboard set, I'm able to move around easily. So let's check it out, practice, and let me see what you get. Alright, bye.